I don't know if we're live on both. Looks like we are. Multi-stream. All right, are we live on both? Are we live on both? I need my stream deck. Need my stream deck. Oh, Box, what's going on? Yo, what's happening? What's happening? Hopefully this is working. Hopefully it's working. 1 2 1 2. Merry Christmas. Likewise, brother. Likewise. How are you? Let me pull up my why. I guess it's not working. Creators dashboard. Let me see if this is working. Oh, yay, old Dweller. Merry Christmas. Yo, what's happening? What's going on, everyone? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, we getting crazy today. Merry Christmas, everybody. How come I can't have... How's everyone doing? How's everybody's day? Is we going well? Is we going good? Tired? What you mean tired? What's up, A-Prepper? What's happening? There we go. Now we starting to get the vibes, baby. We starting to get the vibe. Resting after a rather large meal. What time is it for you, Yield Dweller? Or Dweller? Merry Christmas. Love the hat. Yes, sir. 9 p.m. Ooh, so it's late for you. It's late for you already. I love it. This is, we're gonna go here. Let me, how's everyone doing? It didn't add everybody, but you know what? It's okay. We'll work with it. Keep me company while I do go. Of course, I will keep you company while you do go. Did y'all hear about Nashville? What happened in Nashville? Okay. Huge explosion. What we doing today? We're working on a portfolio website today. Wait, what exploded? Merry Christmas, you beastie animals. Wicked MRE, what's going on? Oh, there was a bomb? Oh, shoot. No. Hopefully everyone's all right. No, that's not what you like to see. Not on Christmas. Come on now. An RV exploded? Fuck, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. Let's get set up here for development. All right. Bring this back up. Merry Christmas, Nicholas. Merry Christmas. Car bomb had hurt 3 injuries, but not serious. Okay, cool. No. Whoever did this crazy. It was an intentional attack. What a bummer. Yeah, that sucks. Hopefully everyone's all right, though. I mean, 3 injuries sounds okay. What y'all got for Christmas? I haven't opened anything yet. It's only 1:22 p.m. We usually don't open things till like the very end. So that's what we got going on. All right, guys. Merry Christmas, dude. How are you? I'm doing good, Marco. How are you? Doing well. It's kind of lame. I know it sucks. But I mean, as long as no one died, we're all right. Yeah, I haven't really opened anything much for Christmas yet. Jonathan Vega, hello from Canada. What's going on? Who's opened presents already? How was that when you were younger? I got my racing helmet. Hey, nice. I love coding in cars. Love it. That's a good combo right there. What you mean, Sarah? What you mean? Okay, let's slow this down. Okay, so we've got that going on here. So let's close this. So I had this working now. So that's cool. Now we just need to make a toggle button. How's opening presents later like when you were young? Oh, it's fine. I mean, like, it's normal. Do you usually open it at the beginning? Raj, player, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Christmas morning usually? Oh, really? Interesting. Buck Dev, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I've always opened it like at the end. Okay. We need to make a toggle button, so... Like in Germany, we do that, but in the evening on the 24th? Oh, really? Huh. I guess we're just weird. I've always done it at the end. My brother had messed up his sleep schedule, so he isn't usually awake until 5 p.m. Oh, Jesus. What a guy. What a guy. That's crazy. That's craziness. Pure craziness. Regolin. Regolin? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. 1 second here. I need to learn how to make a toggle button from toggle button Tailwind. How's the project going? How's this project going? It's going really, really well. So far, I have everything hooked up. You know, these little buttons here. Not everything's hooked up. These are all working just fine. Let me lower the music a little bit. Yeah, all these are working just fine. Everything is like super, super fast. So I'm pretty happy with that. I have the light and dark mode working just fine. Oh, you guys can't really see it. Yeah, everything's working really, really well. Usa Mazuane. Hopefully I said that right. Thank you for the follow. I hope nobody plays cookies and milk out for Santa. That would be considered indoor dining. In the house. Thank you for the follow. That's hilarious. That's actually hilarious. Oh my god, that's so funny. Oh man. Hi, welcome, Zhej. How are you, my man? How are you? Yo, why is this music so loud, bro? Why is this music so loud? Oh my god, my ears are bleeding. All right. We need to make a toggle button. So... anything from last night from Cold War theme music? Oh, geez, loud. It's so quiet in stream. Is it? Hold on, let me turn it up for you guys then. I have a hard sense of volume just because of how everything's set up for me. So, like, right now, it's just blasting in my ear, so... tell me if it's too loud. Jabac police. What? Why you don't use Linux? It's hard to stream with Linux, so that's kind of the reason why. But eventually we'll get there. Eventually we'll get there. It's good. It's going good. Set a goal to learn Bootstrap before 2021. Dude, you got it. Bootstrap's easy. Is anyone else not getting full messages? What do you mean? Not getting full messages. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Missing part of the chat? Oh, some people's messages aren't coming through. So the thing is, I'm streaming both on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. So that's why you're going to not see certain messages. I'm just testing it out right now. Seeing if multi-stream is still okay to do. Yeah, so if I'm reading a message and you're not seeing it in chat, it's probably on YouTube chat. And then likewise on YouTube. Yeah. So it'll be weird. I'm multi-streaming right now. Multi-streaming right now. Yeah, it's gonna be like, what's up, Pratik? What's up? All right, so what do we want to do here? We want to make a toggle button. So did I just copy and paste this whole thing? Wait, there's a Twitch client for Windows? Yeah, there's a Twitch client for Windows. I'm on both now. You don't have to be, sir. Is rude. This means fuck police. Oh, Jesus. That's a little, it's a little extreme if you ask me. It's a little extreme, but okay if that's how you feel. If that's how you feel. Okay. How do we make a toggle button, dude? Like, what's the easiest way? You don't want my extra view? I mean, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. But I don't want you, like, you know, stressing about it. But I appreciate you. Merry Christmas, boys and gals. Merry Christmas likewise. Likewise to all of you out there. What's like, if for those of you that's opened stuff already, what's like one of the favorite things you've already opened? Perks of ultra wide, my dear Godlord Chow. What do you use for your icons? I'm using hero icons. I'm using simple React icons right now. I got a pen. Ooh. What kind of pen? Fountain pen? My new guitar? Ow. Okay. People are out here getting like nice things right now. I like it. I like it. Just a ballpoint pen? I like it. It's gotta be expensive though, probably. That's gotta be super expensive. Okay, so we're gonna work on, let's get rid of this, let's get rid of this, get rid of that, and get rid of that. We're gonna work on toggle for right now. Where is it? We're gonna work on this. Ian, Merry Christmas, sir. Oh, cheering with the 200 biddies. Cheering with the 200 biddies. I like it. Thank you so much, Ian. Hey, Chow, what does Gatsby gives you that just React doesn't? Plugins and like built like starters. I mean, it's just like whole library built on top of React. So there's these SEO, what's it called? Components that are built-in routing, so I don't have to worry about React Router. And then just a whole bunch of other plugins that allow me to, you know, put in stuff like Google Analytics, a CMS, right? And it's all through plugins that make it a lot easier than what if I'd have to do it manually through React. So that would be the reason there. Wait, how did you get that emoji? That's kind of sick. What? How did you do that? _SA? What? Sounds cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Usually, yeah, if I'm ever making websites, it's most likely going to be in Gatsby. I need toggle A type checkbox. Line. Toggle _ line. With full round, full shadow inner dot. I feel like I should just copy this whole thing and then see what's gonna happen. I just want to see like if this would work, and then like figure it out. All right, let's take this. Oh, we're in the wrong one, so we need to be in toggle, and then inside of this div, I'm gonna put its own. Oh, get rid of these comments. Get rid of these comments. Jordan, yo, Merry Christmas, my man. How are you? How are you? Hopefully you had a good day, or it's just starting the day. Modify it for points. True, true. I honestly thought about buying the Mac Mini today. Decided against it though again until I decide on Chicago and such. Oh boy, yeah. I mean the M1 has been awesome. The M1's been dope. I love it. I've been loving it so far. Still much for a pen. Do you use a webcam or a camera for the face cam? It looks crisp. I use a DSLR for the webcam. My mother knows I like my pens, so it was nice. She wanted to get a Mont Blanc, but I told her I'd be devastated if I lost that. Yee. Hey Justin, I see you're grinding over the holidays as well. Always grinding, always grinding. Never stop. Of course I'm gonna take a break, and I mean I woke up this morning and played World of Warcraft, so I mean but I was coding last night, coding now, so you know we're back at it. We're back at it always. We cannot convert Gatsby starters to React code. Like we retrieve all the SRC files? Can we retrieve all the SRC files from the project from stars? You can, but there are going to be some components you probably can't drag over. And at the end of the day, it's still React. Merry Christmas, all. Alwyn, thank you. I'm good, man. I just got a new monitor and I'm dual screening finally. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Hold on. I got to hit this from my boy real quick. My man has a, he's dual screening now? Come on, he's dual screening? Oh, he's dual screening. Oh, he's got it now. I like it. I like it. Get ready for KD. Yassine, hello. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to see it. Have you tried making a button to scroll to another component on Gatsby? I'm stuck on that today. I believe I would use I would just use a plugin at that point, like a React scroll, and get it to smooth scroll. Justin, can you mouse this? I am not saying that. I'm not saying that, dude. That's so much. Hello, Joe. How's it going? Congrats on the second monitor, brother. Yeah, congrats on the second monitor, Jordan. I didn't get one. I don't need any more. But, Yosef, welcome. It's going good. It's going good. How are you? How are you? Of a Welsh town, I think? That's the name. That is a whole name of a Welsh town? Wait, are you being serious right now? What? Also, guys, just to say this, I'm streaming both on YouTube and on Twitch. So if you get confused and you don't see certain chats in the chat or messages in the chat, that's why. Okay? Just so the confusion is out of the air. Oh, all these have class, so these need to be class name. Class name. We're gonna put this to its own div as well. Why is it all bugging? Why? Huh. Sounds like me when I fall asleep on my keyboard. It's okay, you have everyone's goal monitor. I don't know if it's everyone's goal monitor, but it is a pretty dope monitor if you ask me. My dad's coming back from Iraq tomorrow after being gone for a couple weeks. Wow, that's awesome. Hey man, that's awesome, Alvin. I'm happy for you. I'm fine, Chow. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. The website improving actually, design-wise. My website or your website? Do you prefer asking questions on Stack Overflow or read documentation slash YouTube? I would prefer both. Definitely want to do a good, nice mixture of both. Do you is this the lo-fi hip-hop playlist? No, this is just the indie pop playlist on Epidemic Sound. So I did last night. I fell asleep last night on my keyboard. Oh man, the grind is real, Sarah. The grind is real for you. I mean, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Hopefully you woke up and went back to bed though. For use HTML for. I see. Wait, how do we spell it? Is it? Oh, okay. So HTML and then for. All right, no errors. Let's see what happens after that. Cool. Oh, yo, what is that? Okay, so that is not what we want. But I mean, it's pretty close. Actually, let me just Let me copy this, get out of that. Dude, the hot reload on this is really, really slow. Where did you copy that from? I found it on CodePen. I just crammed R down my throat so I can learn data science faster. Yikes. I'm in your portfolio website. Oh, thanks, Joseph. Thank you. Yeah, it's getting to where I really want it to be. So far, so good. Gonna do some acid on Tuesday with a couple of friends. Oh, Jesus, Alan, what the hell? I mean, stay safe, I guess, if that's what you're into. Not gonna cap. I mean, what did you learn so far in R, Sarah? Have you learned enough? Or have you learned a lot? Or what have you learned so far? So we're going to go in the index here. And in the section, this is where... Oh, actually, no. Is this where I'm putting it? I think toggle is going in my layout. Yeah. So width of the screen, empty top. So instead, we're going to put it in there and see what happens. Okay. So this is now at the top. No, I need to figure out why it's like so weird. Oh my is right. Oh my is right. I mean, it's literally statistics, to be honest, just more from the coding perspective. Sarah's learned that it's a pirate's favorite language. Huh. I'm between cramming Scala or Go. Huh. I've always wanted to learn Go. I feel like I do want to just like learn it on the side and just like see what it's about and build something, but what was the most confusing part for you while learning JavaScript? Oh, that's a good question, actually. Confusing part, I think, was loops for sure, especially like the while do loops, or just like any while or for loops were very confusing. So any of that, learning conditionals, you know, control flow, that stuff was very confusing for me. And how I would implement that into actual projects was super confusing at first. I think I'll go with Go since that's what my job offer was primarily about. Nice. Go sounds really fun, so I might learn it with you if you're down. Nicholas, I might be busy in 8 hours too. I don't know where I'll be in 8 hours, but I'm probably going to be doing something with the family. In your VS Code theme, can you change the pink color in the bottom bar? It's kind of set to that. I don't know if you could change it, but I kind of like the pink color. You don't like the pink? Okay, so now in this here for the type checkbox on the input, I think is where we want to do it, right? Oh, now we getting all the YouTube subscriptions. Heck yeah. I do think it's very popping, you know what I mean? Wait, what? In regards to learning Go, Justin? Oh, yeah, I got you. I'm down. What, there is a children thing? What are you talking about, Nicholas? It's Christmas, so play some Christmas themed music. Ooh, I mean, you're not wrong. I wonder if there's a moods for it. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me see. Genres featured. Christmas. There you go. Sparse Christmas, modern Christmas, lo-fi Christmas classic. Oh, there's only a couple. Lo-fi Christmas beats. There's a couple in here. Let's see if it keeps going. I'm down. Scroll to the left. Huh? Children thing. I'm confused. Whoa, let me see. I don't hate guys, but I prefer to change its color. Oh. What is the hex code for the theme you use for the dark theme in your portfolio website? Here is so background is this hashtag 2D3748. I'll leave it up there for a second. Justin, do you learn better by book or by tutorials? I learn better by tutorials. Books are only good for me, but I can only read them for so long. So I kind of need to do tutorials and like build stuff. Any recommendations for your favorite studying playlist on Spotify? Anything that has no lyrics. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas, Pulsar. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. All right, we're gonna go back to this. All right, I need to figure this out. I don't know how to build a toggle button. I've never done it before, so I guess we're gonna learn. Even though I've copied it, it doesn't work. So, so we're gonna go into global right here, and then I think we're gonna say we're gonna actually just copy it. Let me see what happens. I would do this in Tailwind, but it's probably not going to work. Oops. Oh no. Now we're stuck here. How long do you plan on streaming for? I don't know. I'm just going to keep going until like we run out of stuff, I guess. What presents did you get, Justin? I haven't opened anything just yet. Oh, it's working. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. It worked. I guess I just had to refresh it. Did you add the CSS? I did. I added the CSS. For Go, please send it to me. I have a course on Udemy for Go, but I didn't really like finish it. So okay, so that works. Very nice. But now we need to figure out why it's looking so weird. Okay, that's good. But like, I think we want to do this. 6. We'll move this back to 6. Perfect. There you go. Oh, why is it going so wide though? Okay, this is the line, so oh, okay. Probably go 15 maybe. See how that looks. Huh? I don't know why it goes so far though. Tramp Stars, what's going on? What's happening? I ain't paying for that. I can just cram my books. Yeah, I got you. Oh, you know what? There might be some websites. I'll send them to you later. One of my friends that works at Google sent me some resources to look at, and they were websites. So I'll send them to you, and we can look at those. I would darken the dot when the switch is in dark mode and light in light mode. Yeah, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Best website to install. I pay for it, so I don't know where you're gonna crack it from. I wouldn't in CSS if it ain't something to do with the classes. Do you think it's these? Maybe. Which OS do you prefer for development, Mac or Windows? I usually prefer Mac. But they got a book called Domain Driven Something. But does it have to do with Go? Translate X, I think. Domain Driven Development. Really would appreciate this. This is a good job opportunity if I decide to take it, but you know how I feel about corporate/tech industry now. Yeah, but it's always good opportunity. Oh, I think that's working. It's always good opportunities to like branch out, you know? Especially with something like that. Let me, I hate how I can't just like... Happy holidays, guys. Shannon, welcome back to the stream. Happy holidays. Hope you had a great day or starting a great day. When Windows run window forms on a Mac. How? I don't know what you're trying to ask. Sorry. Don't pirate things. Illegal stuff is bad. Yeah, please don't do that. I know it's called domain-driven design. Use pixels or some. I think percent is too much for it. But we'll see. It would require me to move to SF. I mean, it's not too far of a move, hopefully. And then right now, not hopefully, but I mean, things just look to be remote only. So maybe that's a possibility. Harris, happy holidays. Likewise. Oh, damn, I didn't realize you stream on both YT and Twitch. I'm still trying to figure it out. Right now, I'm streaming on both at the same time, and so far, things are okay. So, who knows? I might do the same thing. Thank you for the follow, by the way. That rant. Oh, you're right. Why aren't you using React plus Tailwind? I mean, technically, I am, right? It's just in Gatsby, so this is all technically the same. No spare change. Thank you for the follow as well. Live my eyes. Hi, bro. After a long time today, I started to study web development again, and that I abandoned. Hey, stick with it, Thomas. You got it. Ted, what's going on? Merry Christmas, my man. You could easily turn a bootstrap template. To React, and happy holidays. Happy holidays, likewise. Yeah. But TailwindCSS just seems to be so much cleaner for me. I like it. So it's something I really, really do want to like stick with and learn. You're a cool guy, Chow. Thank you. Any likes? How many likes are we at, chat? How many likes are we at? Gatsby always got some weird reloading issues. Same thing when I was building my portfolio. Yeah. Reading in basketball today. Oh yeah, who's playing today? I know the Warriors and the Bucks are playing. Who else has Christmas Day games? How much is Epidemic Sound? I think it's like $15 a month. Only 24? Twitch doesn't have likes? Well, yeah, I gotta ask the YouTube side. I gotta use the YouTube side. Clippers and Nuggets? Oh, that's gonna be an alright game. Tailwind rules. Yes, it does. Tailwind rules. Nets versus Celtics? Oh, boy. Nets are down 7. Oof. Tailwind is dope. Using it for my portfolio as well. I like it. Yeah, Tailwind is my fave as well. Yo, you should check out React Suite. What's React Suite? Betting. It's a super dope component library, which is very underrated. I'll have to check it out. All right, let's see if this will change anything. I mean, that doesn't look too bad. But I don't think it's changing anything. Like, right? Like, that doesn't look like it's moving very much. Love Bugworm, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. And anybody know games that you can play as a group on Zoom? Nothing to buy? Oh. I don't know. Kahoot, probably? Are you using the Headwind extension for Tailwind? No, I'm not. What's Headwind? Honestly, I've heard that Scala is pretty easy if you're going from Java. Interesting. Check the dev tools and put a breakpoint on the button. I wonder if it's just because of... Oh, there you go. I actually have to just refresh it. Amazing tool. Oh, nice. Gatsby's taking a weird turn, man. Like, the hot reload is not good, regardless of whether it's on Windows or if it's on Mac. Like, it's just slow now. Oh, it's good. I mean, it's like not all the way there, but I mean, it's probably 16 pixels, right? Gatsby with the damn reloading issues. I know, it's so bad. Like, I've tried multiple starters and things, and like, it's just really bad. It's been really bad so far. I want to check out Next. Has anyone in here messed with Next or Nuxt or anything? What are we working with? We are working with Gatsby, JS, and TailwindCSS, and we're making my portfolio website. So if you guys want to look at it, this is like the site right now. Oh, prettier for Tailwind. Nice. Sometimes you need to completely restart the server for changes to work. Yeah. Do you play games? Yeah. Right before this, I was playing WoW. There you go. That looks better. Cool. All right. And then let's inspect this for iPhone as well. And the toggle still looks good. So we're going to work with that. We're going to work with that. Now the question is, Next.js. Next is cool, but it doesn't have the markdown features and stuff. Oh, that sucks, dude. That sucks. How did you guys like it? Not too different from React. It's like a more basic and easier version of React. It's awesome. Code Sandbox has lit as a template for it. Nice. Versal is integrated for deployment. Yeah, and I've heard great things about Versal as well. Gatsby is faster for sure. Oh yeah, probably. You use live server extension for VS Code. True, but I just rather use the built-in like compiler and stuff. No. Who's talking about Kotlin? Who's talking about Kotlin? That's cool, Justin. But are you Team Horde or Team Alliance? Definitely Team Horde. Definitely Team Horde. Merry Christmas from Brazil. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. How's your day? Yes, Horde. Always Horde. Always Horde. Ant design is good. I've heard good things about Ant design. I think one of the last couple streams that someone was showing me Ant design. Check the script. I think it's because you're running it with npm dev instead of start. No, I'm definitely using npm run start. When Shane would have said to Team Horde, Shane can say anything about Team Horde, but I will still be Team Horde at heart. Tech Gadget, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Okay, so we're gonna add this now to toggle since this is now working. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna. Oh no, I'd rather move this into it. So toggle has these right here, and we're gonna add on one of the inputs. So this type is checked. What up? What up? Here from the Learn and Build Teach community. Nice. How are you, man? How are you? Hopefully everything's doing good. Hopefully you're having a good Christmas. Where are my Java devs? Dude, so recently actually, what's it called? I might be applying to a job, but they require only Java. And like, it's like, do I learn it? Do I not? Do I just like see what I can do pretty quickly just to see if I can get this job? Because it seems pretty cool. I don't know. Techo TV, what's going on? My kind of job. Ew, Java. Uh-oh. I literally love Java. Java. The only Java I'll have is a sip of Java. That's it. That's it. Why? Why what? Is this React? eCoder, yes, this is React. It's built in Gatsby, but same thing as React. How are you today, bro? I'm doing well, man. How are you? How are you? I code in Java. It's best language I ever worked with. Are you being sarcastic about that, or are you being for real? I respect the language, but not the concept. Interesting. I try to stay away from it as much as I can. Wow, there's some mixed feelings. What's some advice for someone who wants to get into coding? Start small and just, increase the amount that you consume gradually, right? So go to places like Free Code Camp or Codecademy where, it's free for the most part. And you can kind of learn as you go. And you're building stuff consistently. So just don't force it. Don't rush through it. And see if you like it. Multi-streaming here and YouTube. Noticing some messages here and somewhere else. Yeah, so guys, if you are just joining the stream, I am multi-streaming right now, both on Twitch and YouTube as well. So if you're seeing messages that I'm replying to and they're not in the chat, they're most likely on the other platform. Don't worry about it. Syntax is great. I enjoyed it as my first language. Okay. Anyone working with Scala at the moment? Don't bash it. No, I am for real. I work as a Java dev. It all makes perfect sense when I go to other languages like in Child's Playground. Oh, interesting. So what do we think, chat? Should I do it? Should I not? Should I learn it? Neo, hi, Chow. Merry Christmas to you in chat. Thank you. Oh, Percy, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Are you building the site for freelancing? No, this is going to be my personal website for my portfolio. It's up to you, dog. Honestly, I think you should, but it's up to you. What's up? How's your Christmas? Christmas just started, man. I haven't done anything really. We're going to be hanging out with the fam later today, so see if you like the language. And it's heavy OOP language is pretty easy to grasp. I'd say just do it. All right. We'll do it. We'll do it. Sounds good. Have you looked at any Java projects to see what it's like? Nah, I haven't looked at anything really. Can you suggest any good freelance sites for Unity or Unreal projects? Honestly, for those kinds of projects, I'm not sure. Sorry. If you want more gray hairs and feel like an OG to any other language seen it will be easier to go for it. I thought you were in Cali. Where I'm at, it's almost 4. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I'm in Cali. Could work with Java and Minecraft. Cough. Oof. Boosh. What's happening? If you learn Java, you can learn every language instantly because other languages are like Java or less complicated except C++ or C and lower level languages, of course. Okay. And does anyone have JavaScript and Java experience? At eCoder, this looks to be React. This is definitely React. Back on the superior streaming platform. Dude, it's crazy. Twitch has better quality and just like a better overall like just UI for streaming, so it makes sense, right? So Chrisman has looked nice, bro. Thank you. That's what helped me drive into C incredibly easily. JS, Java, and C++, C#. Nice. Do you feel like Java helps you with JavaScript? Twitch got them better APIs too, for sure. I'm more of a front-end guy, but I was thinking about getting into Python or C#. What can you do with those except back-end web or AI or desktop programs? Python, you can definitely do web, front-end web as well with Flask or something like that. So even if you learn Python, you're not out of the waters. I don't think so in case of JavaScript. Oh, interesting. No, because Java is more disciplined and doesn't let you freestyle like JavaScript and ES6. Gotcha. Merry Christmas, by the way. Merry Christmas, Boosh. Hopefully you had a great day. Java can help you a lot with C#. Flask or Django are good for Python. Yep. I finally start my bootcamp January 4th. Any advice? I've been studying up on my Bootstrap and JavaScript preparation. They'll be focusing on C# and .NET. Then you should be focusing on C# and .NET. This man, Danny, what's happening, man? What's happening? Hope you had a good Christmas, or hoping you're having a great Christmas, Danny. Hope you're having a great Christmas. Straight up diving into R and Go at the moment before I go into Scala, but I've heard it's easy to go into Scala from a Java background. Opinions? Yeah, JavaScript is way more lenient than most languages. Interesting. Just playing games as a developer, is it a waste of time? If that's a question, I would say no, because you need time to just relax. So I would say no. I learned C# after the JavaScript helps a lot in OOP concepts. Interesting. Okay. I think once I get a better grasp, I mean, I have a good grasp of JavaScript already, but like once I build some more stuff, I think I'm going to branch out and see. I definitely do want to learn Go. Go is on my radar. Python's on my radar. And then some other like backend languages like Java. Definitely. My American Express credit card statement says I had a great Christmas. Oh man. Hey, as long as it was a good year, you ended off the year on a great day. My credit card statements could say the same thing, Danny. I'm right there with you. Must grind 25 out of 8 and never sleep. Only then will we be the best. True. Python gang. Yes, was super chill. Just with my parents, brother, and uncle due to COVID. Yeah, I understand. But as long as you're doing well. Are you only completely into websites and web applications? No, I'm definitely open to branching out into other things. And seeing what I like more. Like I've only dove into like the front end side of things for the most part, but I'm like very, very open to seeing what I'm more interested in. Like if I'm building applications or whatever, right? APIs, something, I don't know. We'll have to see. But I don't want to like move. I don't want to move out and like literally be spread so like thin, and you know what I mean? Like I need to focus on one thing for right now and then branch out later on. To the person on the YouTube stream, games are arguably a waste of time in any profession, but personal happiness is a good thing. If games make you happy, play some, but work on balance. For sure, and that's the one thing that I've had to work on for sure is balance, right? Like balancing playing games. Like this morning, I was playing World of Warcraft, and then now deciding to work, code, and stream. So it's all a matter of balance and figuring out what makes you happy. Playing games definitely does make me happy, so that's what I'm doing. Cassio, what's going on, my man? What's going on? I just wanted to see if it was easy as I've heard. I see. I want to have a career in game development, but needed to gain experience, so currently working as a VR developer. Nice. How are you liking it so far, though? I'm still bad at balancing, and it takes time, right? It takes time to find that balance. Deadshot X25, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. You want to learn so many languages. You're going to be my tutor for Python. I haven't worked in Python for years. I have only my final 4th term left for software diploma graduation. Pretty excited. That's pretty exciting. NT, hello. I prefer C# over Java. It's like Java done right with a lot of syntactic sugar. .NET 5 is awesome. Nice. As long as you're a jack of all trades in FEBE and knowing some CS fundamentals, you'll be like a rock star. I got offered a job. I'm just brushing up my previous knowledge so I can go in and see if it's worth my time or not. What are your thoughts on machine learning and deep learning as nowadays soft devs are into this, as this are incorporated web apps and mobile apps? I think it's a great space to be in if you are interested in it. If you're not, then you're not. You know, it requires a lot of logic, a lot of math, so that's not going to be for me, but I know for a lot of people it's very, very good for them. I mean, some people watching Netflix the whole day after work, so why would this be okay and playing games not? Yeah, exactly. It's just it's your own personal form of relaxation. So if you're into it, you're into it. If you're not, you're not. Python is one of the most straightforward languages out there. I agree. Yes, I need to know more about data science / machine learning portion of it. Ruby is also super straightforward. So I've heard. C# is very similar to TypeScript. I believe the same guy is designing these two languages. That's crazy. I'm Joseph on YouTube, subscribed in YouTube and following you on YouTube. Keep it up, Justin. Thank you, man. Thank you. VRs are so cool, but data science is just going to be the highest paid job for at least 5 more years. I wouldn't put a cap on that. I would not put a cap on data science. Would not put a cap on data science. Okay, so the toggle. So this div right here is what I need. I meant Twitch. No, I got you. No worries. I know what you meant. Okay, so we're gonna move this over now, right? So we're gonna take that out. That's gonna disappear. Slow ass freaking thing. We're gonna comment this out for now, and then we're gonna put this in there. And then on the input is where we want to do it. So this is the type checkbox, right? So class name, we're gonna say checked. Oh, not in this. So one prop we're going to add is checked, and that's going to be dependent on is dark, right? And inside the, or we'll copy this. On the change. Good, we have word wrap going on right now. Cool. Hey, look at that. It's all working beautifully. I love it. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Which languages can you code with? Primarily JavaScript. Let me catch up here. Which backend language are you interested in? Definitely Go. If we're not going to be talking about JavaScript, I'm definitely interested in Go. I'm dead in Among Us, so I have time to chat. So on changes delegate? What do you mean? Love you from Iraq. Love you, man. Love you back. Themes are great. I have 3 computers up at the same time, and I'm just switching. That's very sus. You are the imposter. True. How much of your website do you have done? So pretty much the landing page. I'm going to have to move this and change this around. But I pretty much have the landing page done. The only pages I have to do now is projects, implement the blog, and then implement a uses page, which is where I would put all my equipment. So as far as right now, like the landing page is done. I just need to move this over to the right side, and then yeah, these pages are all hooked up except for the uses page. These are all hooked up, so that's good. But I would say I'm like 10% done with the website. I still need to figure out what the other pages are going to look like and how I'm going to implement like the projects page. I'm thinking I need to figure out what CMS I want to use for the blog. I definitely want to have a CMS in there, but we shall see how that turns out. Delegate is something that handles a specific event. I see. So yes, the on change. So this on change pretty much just happens on the click, but not so much on the click. Like we want to do on change, so every single time, like it doesn't really matter, but we just want to on change. Justin, are you a freelancer? Yeah, pretty much. Let me scroll up here so I'm not losing the chat. The chat's going pretty fast since I have both Twitch and YouTube going at the same time. Have you thought about checking for system preference? What are you talking about? Are you talking about for the theme? Because it does. It defaults to based off of the theme. So if the theme is already set to dark, then it defaults to dark. If it's not, then it defaults to light. Hey man, didn't visit your channel in a while. Catching up with your latest videos now. Can you tell me how long it took you to master JS? I haven't mastered anything. I'm very far from mastering, if that's even possible, but it took me a while to get like a good grasp of JavaScript. I would say a couple months. Where are you deploying? Also, have you thought about checking for, oh, I already answered that. I already checked the system preference, but deploying, this is all going to be through Netlify. And I don't really need it at the moment, so it's like, nice. I like the design so far. Thank you. Yeah, I'm trying to go for like a minimalistic design, super simple. I usually go for single page, like just like one scroll down page, but I like doing multi-page and just switching over and showing different things. So that's pretty cool. I really like it so far. I think this is going to be good. This is definitely going to be one that I stick with for a while. Have you looked at Netlify CMS? Yes, but I do want to mess with like Contentful. Maybe Contentful as a CMS. Who knows? A lot of people use Contentful. A lot of people use Sanity as a CMS or WordPress. I'm not going to use WordPress, but yeah, for the light and dark mode, yeah, there is a check on the system preference already. So depending on if you have dark mode enabled or not, it'll check for that and default to whatever it is. And it messes around with local storage as well. So, hey, Brendan, Merry Christmas, my man. How are you? How's everything going, man? Hopefully your day's been going good. Is Cyberpunk 2077 worth it? I would say no, probably not. What's up, R4? How are you? Blog will be with backend or probably not. Probably with a CMS. Probably with a CMS. I'm good. That's awesome. That's awesome. Can you show what's specific to Gatsby on this project? Yeah, so specific to Gatsby on this project is going to be things like this SEO and, you know, these layouts here. So the SEO, you can add keywords and a title, right? So that's something specific. And then, you know, like these plugins here. All these plugins are things that you can add into Gatsby, so you just have to npm install them and then you have access to them. So that's what's super specific to Gatsby, and it's something that I love about it. Windows or Mac OS? Probably Mac OS. I want to learn web dev. What languages or frameworks do you advise for me? I'm learning Python as my first language currently. Also, do you have a course that you think is great for beginners in web dev? Is that Gulp? Nah, it's not Gulp. So to answer your question, you're making a static website? Yes, I am. Answer your question, I would stick it out through Python, right? Like learn it and then learn Django and Flask. Or Flask, because I know you can still do websites with that. So stick with it and then just keep moving. And then, you know, you want to learn the basics of HTML and CSS. So there's going to be things like that. As far as a course, any YouTube tutorial that you can find based off of what you're learning is probably going to be more than enough for what you need. What is your idea for beginners to learn which programming language first for web development? So it's going to be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for web development for beginners. Why use JavaScript and not TypeScript? I'm always thought about using TypeScript, but in this case, I just want to use regular JavaScript. I have prop types, so like technically I'm checking for like prop types anyways. So some form of type checking, but not as strict as TypeScript. You can also use dev.to API where you can write your post and they provide an API endpoint to show content to your personal page. Oh, interesting. Is it all through Markdown? Can I pull from that through Markdown? Why aren't you using Mac OS? I was a little too lazy to pull my MacBook out and like plug it in. I'd rather just use Windows right now and just like have it be super easy. I think you're in love with JavaScript. I mean, it's my main language. It's like what I learned first and it's what comes easy. So you could say that though. Background color. Let's do... So instead of this background color on the checked, we want to do var color BG secondary. Oh, box. That's gonna be something else. It is Markdown. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna have to check that out, creative. So maybe I use dev. So you could just use dev.2 as your like quote unquote CMS, right? Leave his JavaScript alone. That's my boo. Damn straight. Damn straight. Okay, maybe not that color. What color do we want it? Color. Right, like this is dark. Good course for Java. Don't have any, unfortunately. Don't have any, unfortunately. I don't know Java. Box that I mean I haven't made a cart system or a checkout system. I use Shopify, so that's what I did. I built my store with Shopify. Also, yeah, if you guys haven't checked out the store yet, I believe on both Twitch and in both YouTube, if you do !merch, you can get a link to the merch store, and you can check out what we've got over there. We got those new boba stickers if you guys haven't checked them out yet. So, you know what I mean? You should definitely check it out. Oh, what the heck? Hold up. Twitch isn't ready. Twitch isn't ready. Hold on. Streamlabs is bugging right now. Hold on. That's the wrong link for Streamlabs. What is it doing? What is it doing? Yo, Charcoals, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, pal. Sebastian, thank you. I appreciate it. Commands. What's the commands that I have? Let's do merch. Okay, now do it. Oh, duplicate entry. Defaults. Can I, where's the merch one? Hold on, guys. There you go. Let's edit this. Let's do this. HTTP devs done shop. Confirm. Okay, guys, try it now. Twitch, try it out now. Legend does not work on Twitch. Legend does not work right now on Twitch. There we go. I like it. The command works now. All right, cool. devs.shop. So that should bring you over there, guys. If you guys want to pick up like a boba sticker, we got more stuff coming out soon. So keep an eye out for that. I gotta buy some of those stickers. No, Sarah, don't buy them. I got you. Don't worry. Try looking up a full course. Yeah, there you go. Live debugging? Yes, the live debugging. You should be able to write in Markdown and pass that as your content to dev.2. And once it's published, you give you Markdown and an HTML version of the article. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to look into that because that sounds amazing. That definitely sounds amazing. And if I can do that super like easily, I would definitely do that. I've not done this myself, but check them out if you're interested. Definitely gonna check this out. I'm a junior front-end developer, just finished 2 years of web development and chose this stack to start with: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, React, Node, PostgreSQL. Is that a good start? I would say so. 2 years in, that's definitely a good start. Okay. Oh, what did I do? What I want to do, right, is... What color is that? Hashtag 3D. What? Justin's got you. No. That's too much. Oh, that's actually a nice color. It is actually a nice color. I think I do want to move it over a little bit more, like 17 maybe. Your channel's amazing. Came across it and I'm watching all your videos, man. So happy I landed on your channel. Thank you, Zen. Thank you. I appreciate it. Sarah, I got you with the stickers though. Don't trip about the stickers. Don't even think about buying them, because if you do, I'm gonna just cancel your order. How ready are you for your first job? I'm here for your motivation from your last DNA stream. Like I said before, you will get your dream job as soon as possible. Keep going, my man. I feel like I'm ready. I don't know if I'll necessarily be fully ready, but I don't think I ever will. So, you know, I just want to like jump into it and be in the space already. Yeah, you owe her a Mac Mini for that bad customer service. Well, that's rude to a customer. I mean, Sarah isn't an ordinary customer. Okay. What we want to do now is how are we going to add an emoji? Did you look up IBM job as front end? No, I haven't. I'm the OG biggest fan you know. This is true. This is true. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Okay, so we need emojis. Someone in the chat, give me a sun emoji and a moon emoji. I need a sun emoji and a moon emoji so I can copy it because I don't have that on Windows. I can't do it as easy on Windows. Ian, that's not the emoji I was looking for. Oh, Stanley coming in hot with the... Okay. So how do we do this now? How are we putting this in? I just want to see how this would be. How would this look? Oh, so we can just render. Okay, so there we go. So inside here, so we say we're gonna do a conditional, right? So if theme is equal to dark, if theme is equal to dark, then we put, we want to put this guy. No, we want to put the moon, right? We want to put the moon. Otherwise, it's Kyle Daniel. Thank you for the follow. Oh, Percy, I don't think I caught you last time. Thank you for the follow. Otherwise, we want to put in the sun with a smiley face for sure. Let's see if it works. Ahaha! Look at that! Guys, that's pretty dope. Chilling in mod voice now. Nice, nice. Shane says hi. What's up, Shane? Tell him I said what's up. I 100% agree. People underestimate how much they need to get for a software engineering job. Hi, man. I'm new. Nice, man. Looking sick. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Sun and moon. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. What do we... Should we add a transition to that, or is that okay? What do I want to add to that? What's that blue called? Transition, make it fade in. That's what I was thinking. It's Zen from YouTube. Had to give you a follow on Twitch. I love it. Yeah, if you guys... So, for everyone that's joining the stream right now, I am streaming both on YouTube and on Twitch at the same time. If I am saying or responding to a message that you do not see in the chat and you get confused, it's probably on the other platform. If you guys want to follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/chow_codes. If you guys want to come and follow and join this platform. Or if you want to go vice versa, go on YouTube. Same thing, Chow Codes on YouTube, and you'll find it. You're a beast. Thank you. For how long have you been learning development? Just over a year now. What is your biggest accomplishment in 2020? Growing my social channels to where they are now. That has been my biggest freaking shouting a little bit, my man. Oh, am I shouting a little bit too loud? What's up? What's up, Laser? Have you applied to Google yet? No. Goal for 21 is... Yeah, biggest goal for 2021 is to get a job. For sure. Pointer events, none. User select, none. Wait, what's that going to do? Isn't it outline? Or do I not... What is this? Pointer events, none. User select, none? Oh, I see what you're saying now. Hold on. Let me grab this and put it over here so I can get to it. I see what you're saying now. Pointer events. You need to apply to a Fang. I don't know if I want to. It took me 1 year to become self-taught dev. Then I helped my friend, and look, it took him like 10 months. Another friend 1 year. My brother 3-ish months, and now I'm learning my other friend to become dev. Nice. Tram, you want to? Sometimes a bit too loud. Sorry. I just started a few weeks ago. I'm still on HTML and CSS and JavaScript, but damn, man, I'm excited. All I want to do from now on is code. If you have any advices for beginners, oh, please don't hesitate. Oh, man, just keep going, man. Just keep going. You have the right drive. You just got to keep working, keep building, my man. Tram, you want to add me onto that train, dude, so I can get my job? My Go book that I'm reading at the moment recommends Atom for the text editor. That's a yikes. That's a yikes. Okay, so we're going to add this to the input then. So class name, we're going to add pointer events none, and then user select none. Oh, I see. Okay. User select none. So we're going to add those to it. It still gives me... Oh, yeah, probably need to refresh. You excited for the new M1X chips? I already have one. I'm pretty stoked about it. It's pretty good so far. It's still doing that hover thing. What's this called? Isn't this called like an outline or something? Isn't that what it's called? Sure, it's not that hard. You need to make some good simple projects and then learn stuff they ask on interview for junior dev, and that's it. What are some of the, like, I guess you could say, projects? What's like a simple project to you? What's something that you would suggest anybody build as a simple project? What's something you would look for? Hit him up. It's a great experience. Maybe might be down for that. Okay, so we need to figure out how to get rid of this stupid little blue hover. Here's a sick one. Yeah, I use colorhunt.co all the time. Yeah, select none. I want it on select none. Why is it not doing it? Dude? Oh, maybe it should be not on the input, but on the label. Okay, let's move these then. So we're gonna move these because you can't see it. So it should be on the label probably. So it's not selectable. Now I can't even click it. Okay, so select none. Let's get rid of the pointer. There you go. Now we're talking. All right, cool. So now that's in the right spot. Now we want to say justify end and see what happens here. There you go. Cool. Now we're in the right spots. It's on the right side, exactly where I want it. Oh my God. I hate how it just zooms in all the time. Like, I can't ever zoom out. But it's working on mobile too. That's dope. Google, bro, I'm telling you, apply, you got it. I don't see, the thing is though, I don't know if I would really want to apply to a Fang. I don't know if I would really want to do that. I'm not saying I'm not going to ever, but I don't know if I would want to. You know what I mean? Not at this point in my life. All right, I'm really happy about that. Maybe add some margin right to that so we can move it over. Oh, I'm so pumped about that. Okay, cool. Projects, that should still be there. Blog, it should still be there. Oh, guys, I'm pumped about that. Very nice. Full stack is a must. CRUD plus some logic. Log in with JWT user / admin role, admin dashboard, and that's it. Maybe something like web shop. Huh. And admin dashboard with some like statistics and stuff like that. Aware of Cold Steel? Yeah, I've taken a couple of his stuff. Keep it up, my man. See you soon. All right, Mir. Take it easy. Is that what you guys did, Tram, to get into some of the jobs? He is a great front-end instructor. Rate yourself out of 10 in JavaScript? Probably a 6. Probably a 6. Okay, so before I lose any progress, I am going to... kill this and add it to the repo. Git. I'd be interested to make a full web shop. That would be a fat project right there. In VS Code, gotcha. Thank you on that. All right. Hey, Chow, how was your Christmas? I kind of just started. I haven't really opened anything or done anything like that. So, you know, we're just getting started. Just wanted to stream and code for a little bit. What's it called? But yeah, I haven't really done anything, but so far so good. I'm just enjoying the day. How was yours? How's yours, Coding Odyssey? I did Orderman app where you order some drink/food and the owner can see all orders and stuff like that with Angular/Spring Boot. After I did that, I had lots of interviews. Can you use Redux fluently? I know Redux and I've used it before in apps, but I would need a refresher for sure. I was going to say a banking app. Oh, interesting. And I'm sure, what did you use to, oh, you used Angular and Spring Boot. Interesting. It was great, man. It's evening here for me. Not sure what time it is there. It's 2:30 p.m. for us right now. 2:30 p.m. Speaking of which, I need to get some water really quick. Find a local credit union too. I need to get some water really quick. Guys, let me know what's something I could ask. What for those of you that have opened presents already or do that kind of stuff, put your favorite present that you got today in the chat and I'll be right back. Okay? I will be right back. My door's so rude, bro. And we're back. All right. Oh, this is the sucky part. Can I get it on without disrupting? All right, we're good. We're good. Gymnastic rings. Okay, that's pretty sick. That's a good present. Did you get them from Rogue, Laser? Darsh, you got a new house? Or these sleep shorts because I get hot at night. Oh, you're one of those warm bodies. Sucks to suck. Favorite present, spending Christmas as a family. That's one hell of a present. Smash Ultimate Fighters Pass 1 and 2. Nice. I didn't receive any present. I don't celebrate Christmas. Oh, damn. Unfortunate. Half-eaten Subway footlong. It's a pretty good damn present. Got a free JavaScript course promo code from Coding Addict. Nice. $10,000 in debt, Abdullah. So I don't know if you could consider that a present, but okay. Fave gift, the blank black keycaps I bought myself. Nice, Stan. Nice. Those are sick. We don't give big gifts, more smaller ones, and we save the extra money, put it together in a hat, and choose randomly a local organization, donate to them. So the best present is good karma and helping others. EY, that's amazing. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. My favorite was exactly what I wanted. Book, Unscripted, Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Entrepreneurship. It's the second book from the author of The Millionaire Fastlane. Nice. Just about to finish the first book. Well, let me know how it is. Maybe I'll read it. Justin has everything already. He doesn't need presents. I don't have everything, but I'm content whether or not I get stuff or not. I've been told I'm a space heater. Julio, what's going on? Badzu, hello. I get that I donate regularly. This year I put Mac Mini money towards that. Is Brian Design your brother? No. I got clothes and shoes. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. My lips is getting a little chapped too. Okay, so landing page is pretty much done. I'm gonna work on the description later. It's great, man. The book is great. You should get it. Yeah, I think so. I think I need to get it too. It sounds like oh, excuse me. Project's not it. My 404 page is something else. Okay, let me. Oh, did I not? Oh no, I should still be up. Why is this not up? Excuse me. Cancel. Wait, why is projects not working? And now it works? Okay. What? That's so weird. Want to become famous? You just click on his name and ban him. Click on his name and ban him. Have you read Cracking the Coding interview? I feel like every video I watch about software engineering say they read it so much. Yeah, I've read a little bit of it. I need to read more of it, but you know, we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. Send him to Davy Jones Laka. All right, if you can't do it, I will. I got him. Don't worry. I am inept. The hat looks great. DNA baby, can't wait. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, good Lord Child. Yeah, no worries. You just gotta click his name and then ban him. Okay, why is my routes not working though? Also, this song is so loud for me. All right, we're gonna stray away from indie pop. What do we go for here? I want 2020 to end so bad. And I just want to keep moving. I want to keep going. Should I start with Gatsby or Next when I want to create my own portfolio? I would maybe go Gatsby. Next has definitely seen a rise and an up and up, but I still think Gatsby is the way to go if you want to do a portfolio. Why are your blinds always closed? Because if I open them, they would just like it would not blind. What's the word I'm looking for? It would wash out the background, and I don't want that. Yeah, it would make the whites way too harsh. Okay, now things should be working. I don't know why they weren't working before. That's just weird, but okay. Okay, now we're working fine, and then this should still be good. Good. All right. Now, we want to work on the projects page. So, I'm thinking if the blinds are open, it would give away where you live, right? I mean, no, you couldn't really see where I would live even if the blinds were open. It would just be way too bright in here if they were. Okay, so the toggle's there. I don't have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the actual projects page itself. And maybe it makes me want to build a whole new one. He has a good setup. He has a good setup. Yeah, see, I can't be in front of my window because I got 2 desks going on. My room's not that big, so. What do we want to do for the projects page? I want to build some cards for sure. That's the thing with not having a design. So let's see. Tailwind CSS cards. I'm actually thinking about putting out that navbar tut without too much anything. Sarah, are you actually going to do it this time? Because I mean, from what I remember, you have it already filmed. No voiceover though? Oh my goodness. Why not? What do you eat for Christmas? Some beef Wellington? No, probably some Asian food. Most likely. I can't listen to my voice. I can't listen to my voice either. I'm gonna head to bed now. Good night. All right, Nicholas, have a good one. Merry Christmas. Have a good night. Sleep well. All right. Let's see some card action going on. I need to build some cards. Oh, doesn't Tailwind have some cards on their website? Oh, probably not. I'll do the voiceover. I sound like a girl on the chat anyways. Stop. Guys, what do you think? How do you think I feel when I listen to my videos again or like listen to my VODs? Like, it's not good. Gotta leave for something. We'll catch up later. Have a good Christmas. Ciao. All right, Box. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great Christmas. Have a good rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe. Can you imagine me, though, trying to explain something? Yes, I can. You just have to believe. You just have to believe. Wow, that is one hell of a card. One hell of a card. Okay. So, what do we want to do here for the card? Let's go on Dribble. Let's go on Dribble here and look at some cards. Maybe we go to portfolio. And I'll just read it. There you go. You'll be excellent. I literally say the same thing. Do you agree with Ben Awad and others when they say coding interviews are useless since the work you do on the job is completely different from algorithms and interviews, Fang? Yeah, I agree. Like, as a front-end dev, some of the stuff that I would be doing with DSNA, like, is, like, not even... It's why am I doing it, right? Like, there's no point in me knowing data structures and algorithms when I'm not even going to be using it all that much, if at all, as a front-end dev. You know what I mean? Like, it makes sense for maybe back-end software engineers or things like that, but other than that, it makes no sense. And I agree that the coding interview should be different. What do you do for a living, bro? I do this. Stream, make videos on YouTube, post stuff on Instagram. That's what I do. It's what I do. Okay, so we need to make a card. So I don't know what it's going to look like. Business cards, cards UI. Cards UI. We definitely want to have an image in there. So... Oh, wow. It's a pretty cool, Hi, Merry Xmas, bro. Merry Christmas, Simon. Merry Christmas. He's a professional heartbreaker? Huh? Who's a professional heartbreaker? Good vibes only, kids. Good vibes only. Good vibes only. How are we enjoying the stream? How are we enjoying our day today, guys? People on YouTube, people on Twitch. What's going on? What y'all want to talk about? Ask any questions y'all got. We just vibing today. But that interviews are to show who will work more to get that really high-paying job. They have so much candidates, so they need to do something to decide. I mean, I agree, but you also can't disagree that some of it is very pointless in terms of qualifying my performance as a front-end developer. Which I get it. I understand the point of the coding interviews, but at the same time, it's not a good judgment of someone as a front end if that's not what I'm going to be using. Have you tried backend systems? I find it quite interesting, and the market for front end is growing so much. I haven't tried backend intensively just yet, but I do plan on doing it soon. Yeah. If you got time, Shane and I are just chilling. If you want to hop in whenever you're free / done with this. Oh, for sure. Yeah. After I'm done with this, I'm probably just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Play some WoW again. Chill with the fam once we're all getting ready for dinner. I do agree. No, Tram, we're both agreeing with each other on the same things. I agree with what you said. You agree with what I said. But that's not to say that I'm obviously going to have to learn DSNA and like do well on a coding interview, even though I disagree with it being a bad judgment. Or I disagree with it being a judgment of how good I am as a front-end dev. I love interviews with pointless questions. You can always read the room and realize when the interviewers don't know what they're recruiting for. I mean, the whole interview process, I feel like, is very, very just like weird. It's in a weird space. It's definitely in a weird space. Okay, so we're just going to come up with something here. We're going to come up with a component here. So we're going to go... card item. Card item, and then I'm sure I'm gonna display something with cards so I can conditionally render them depending on how many I have. So RF CE card item P card description, and I'm assuming somewhere I will have, you know, there's gonna be like a button here, right? So there's gonna be a button here, there's gonna be an image here, right? And then on the components we're gonna have card list.js, RAFCE here, list. We're going to import card item from card item, and then we're going to display card item here. And then within card list, we go into the projects section. Holy shit. Are you applying aggressively yet? Come on, man. I know for sure you can land a job. You know so much already and have the ability to work, as well as the work ethic. I've been applying a lot more actively. Yes, I wouldn't say aggressively, but I'm applying a lot more actively and reaching out. So for a small company or low paying job, that interview process is really bad. Really? What's been your experience with small companies? To see WW84 on Saturday as an extra present. Nice. I heard it was good. I heard it was really good. Gal Gadot's looking great in that, by the way. She is looking amazing. Can you show your portfolio design? This is it. This is pretty much it. Any responses? Nah, I mean, it's the holidays, so you're not going to get I'm not going to get that many responses as of right now. Not just yet. Oh, I don't have the design. I'm kind of just like going off of the cuff, like what I see. Card list. Okay, and then we're gonna have to import card list from, going to components, card list, and it should show up any minute. There you go. Cool. Yeah, I don't have a design, my man. I don't have a design. Usually my responses are either like the recruiters or whoever ghosting me or saying that they're going different routes. Those have primarily been my my responses. I mean, exactly what you said. Why would you need to know system design for front end if it's a low paying job? Oh, for sure. I agree. I agree. But I think as like for someone in my position where it's like, I need the experience, would I just take it and just, you know, learn that kind of stuff now so that once I'm in that position, then I can go for the higher paying jobs because I need my foot in the door. You know what I mean? Like that's kind of the balance I'm trying to figure out. The last company I worked for, the interview ended up having a good laugh showing, discussing our tattoos and bikes. Oh, wow. Then the owner came in the room and had to start the interviewing again, but more seriously. You should try a startup, make a name for yourself. You should try a startup, like me starting a startup or joining a startup. Okay. Join one? I mean, I wouldn't be opposed. Would not be opposed to that. What do we think? Should this be up top? Justin is already joining my startup. They're a little less tough, I heard, the interview process. Interesting. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure just yet. The first time I want Santa Claus coding. Do you write tests for your code? I haven't done any tests, really. I need to learn how to do some testing in React. I have not done it just yet. Yeah, of course. Don't care for money for the first few years. Your goal is to have a mentor who knows a lot and can teach you in a friendly way. For sure. Use Nuxt.js is the best. I've heard good things about Nuxt. Just haven't had the time to really like learn it and use it. YouTube chat. How many likes are we at on the stream or on the video? How many likes are we at? Let me know. What are we at? 51? Woo! Been live for an hour 30. We're only at 51. Come on, boys. Come on, girls. Let's get it. All right, so all of that still applies, so that's good. I don't know where I'm gonna put these just yet. So now we're gonna work on using on the card item, right? So on the div here, Cam2687, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Class name equals flex. I hate how long it takes to do that, dude. That takes so long. Okay. Now. Let's see what we can make. Up to 56 and you lost viewers with that rant. It's okay. What is your main coding / editing content creation desktop? Is it the mini? It's primarily gonna be on my MacBook Pro as of right now. Ratings dipped. Oh well. It is what it is. I mean, it's Christmas. You can't expect much, right? Can't expect much. I'm Abba Adabul Huda 7. Hopefully I said that right, but thank you. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Hey man, we're popping on stream today. Okay, how are we gonna make this? I'm coming up with ideas in my head. Okay, so let's add this for right now. So we're gonna do this. This is actually going to be the actual card item itself here. And we're gonna add a class name equals this. So we're gonna add a border around that. Perfect. We're gonna add padding of, let's say 4. Cool. Oh, have a nice rest of Christmas. Need to get my poutine. See ya, EY. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for supporting my man. Have a good day. Have a good rest of your day. I appreciate you. I want to learn front-end dev to help me pay college, but I enjoy read or watch cybersecurity stuff, so I can't focus on one device. If cybersecurity is really what your interest is in, I would say go for cybersecurity. That sounds like that's something you want to do, so I would hop on that. Huh? Okay. Border 2, padding solid. We're gonna do a border radius. Let's say rounded 3XL. Right? Rounded 3XL here on the border for the card. Maybe that's a little bit too much. Let's just go XL. Cybersecurity is very fun. Yeah, I've thought it like a long time ago when I was still in IT. I always thought about cybersecurity because it seemed like a really cool space, but never got into it. How are you enjoying it, Nehack? I subbed till the button broke. Oh boy. How were your grades in high school? I think you were probably the number one in the class. No, I was definitely at the bottom. Definitely at the bottom. I'll be back in 45 going to Nob Hill. Sounds good. Stay safe, Sarah. Stay safe. So far, so good. I sometimes stream hacking. Oh, that's awesome. Ethical hacking, I hope. Ethical hacking. I love doing coding in React. Yeah, coding in React is amazing. It's amazing. I mean, we won't really talk about it, but okay. Brenda from HR will ruin it. Will do. I'm just doing curbside pickup. Friends work there, so I could just sit in the parking lot. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Curbside pickup for the win. Curbside pickup for the win. Oh, you know what? Maybe we leave the top. We leave the top. Oh, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Rounded T. That's what we're going to do. All right. So we're going to add, I wonder if this works though. So rounded T, we're going to add to this. So the top stay, yeah. What do you guys think? Do you like that? Like this kind of card here where the bottoms are the only one that's curved. And then we'll add a line here where the image is going to be. So I think what we're going to do here is I'll add an image tag here. And then let's just say /. We'll just use my old image, right? We'll use my old, oh. Maybe this one? Is that gonna work? No. That's not gonna work. So, I'm gonna use my old image, just my standard one. If it works. Or not. If you want to be in cybersecurity, you also have to be a front end back end. Oh, really? Interesting. I actually did not know that. Tell me what universities you're aware of in Canada. I actually have no clue. No clue. Oh. So I'll probably have to import it in the card item. So instead of src, we're going to import photo from // We're gonna go to images and we're gonna try the SVG here. And instead of this, we're gonna go photo. See if that works. Oh, it works. Okay, cool. But this is gonna have to change. So class name equals width. I think we want to do 3/6 for that. Maybe a little bit smaller. 3/5? Is 3/5 a thing? We're getting bigger. The only way to break things is by knowing how they work in the first place. True. Okay, understood. Didn't know that. So maybe cybersecurity is in the future potentially if I'm ever interested. Do you remember doing calculus? How was it? I've never done calculus in my life, so it seems like I will have to learn a bit more of front end though. Yeah, potentially. If that's good, from the sounds of it, it's going to help you. It's going to help you. Okay, let's go to some of the height stuff because because I don't know what we want to do here. So we're gonna go, what does 1/3 looks like? Okay, I like that. I like that sizing. So now flex on the width, we want to say 50%, so that's 2/4. This maybe a little bit more. Oh, 2/4. Okay, and then we're gonna say justify center. Or not. With 2/4. Let's see if that needs to change there, and boom, there you go. All right. Okay. We're gonna have to figure this out. There should be a flex item here, so I can say justify item center maybe. Bro, please tell me what extensions you will use. I've made a whole video on the extensions, so if you want to go see what extensions I use, you should go check out that video. Maybe improve your portfolio, just only see 3 projects. Yeah, it's an old portfolio, so that's what this is for. This is primarily to improve upon that. Well, we're going along the x-axis, so I think it might be justify center. Companies need to be well. No, I 100% get that. Okay. Let's get rid of all this. Huh? So it is justify center. Okay. How that turned into a URL. Anything with a dot, I feel like just turns into a URL. It's kind of weird. Okay, so text center is something that I want to. Do I want text center? Should it be a line left? I don't know yet. Underneath the image, we want an HR though. Something like this. I'm just kind of like designing it as we go. A line left. Okay, so we'll just leave it as its default then. Let's see. What's up, BQ? What's happening? What's happening? Can you change the shade of white? Yeah, I'm going to. We're still designing it. We're still trying to figure out what this is going to look like. It's a bit too bright. Yeah, I know. Border color. So we're gonna say, where is my theme? So we're gonna go with theme here, theme here. Oh, maybe it's not in theme. BG primary, text primary. I think we're gonna go with text primary on this. So BG on the card item, we're gonna say border BG. I wonder if that works. Primary. Nope, that's not working right now. All right, I'm gonna peace out for today. Motivating for me. We'll be on hold for now, but I will be back again with much more. Merry Christmas, sir. All right, Adarsh, have a good one. All kinds. Merry Christmas, Turnut. Tailwind is so OP, for real, for real. Like, actually, though, like, it's so good. I was gonna say right now, just because of React, please make videos on React tutorials as well. I plan on making one as soon as, as soon as I'm like ready to make it. But I will be making a tutorial video soon on a recent project I did. So it's coming soon. This isn't a beer, by the way, Anton. This is a Topo Chico, just mineral water. NBA stat site is kind of bare. Thanks, Pulsar. Thank you. Can it be beer? I don't know if you can drink on stream, actually. All right, how are we changing this border now? You have until Jan 22nd, I think. Oh, really? Which VS code? If you do exclamation point theme in the chat, you'll see it. Yes, you can drink alcohol on stream. However, Twitch specifically states that a dangerous consumption of alcohol is against their terms and conditions. This means enjoying a beer or two on stream is perfectly fine, but drinking excessively could result in a temporary or permanent ban. Interesting. I mean, I don't drink anyways. Like, this is just Topo, so I think we're all right. I usually just I don't drink like on my own will. You know what I mean? Like, I'm a social drinker. Tim, what's going on? I watched 2 drunk girls on stream last night. It was lit. It was lit. You can use Flutter for web. It's better than React. I saw that and I was just like, oh, that looks so cool. I really want to do that. If you twerk, they'll forgive you? Yeah, I don't think so. I do not think so. All right. Border color. We want to mess with the border color, but how do I make it custom? Border current? Oh, maybe I could do that. Copy. Let's try that. So in card item, instead of whatever this is, we're going to say border current. Current color? Hey, look at that. That's pretty sick. All right, so it's going to change along with what I've got. So that's cool. So we've got that going on right now. Do you guys like that hair flip? You guys see that? HR. Or line. Pre-line? What? Do you work as a web developer for a company? No, I have not gotten a job just yet. So we're working on it. We're working on it. We're working on it. Okay, so how are we going to... Image? How are we going to center this? Justify content center? No. How do we center this, guys? What's your job for now? Only YouTube? Yes, only YouTube. Only YouTube. How are we centering this picture? Justify content center? See, I did that. Item center? Should we make it a flex item? Justify center? Wait, what's minus n pixels? What is that? You might need a container. I might. Yeah. Wait, let's try this. What's this? I'm assuming this is, yeah, that's only for grid. Let's see, align self. Oh, self center? Let's see what that does. Self center. No, nothing on that. N is equal to width of the picture divided by 2, i.e. n equals 100 by 250 pixels. Oh, interesting. Can I do that in Tailwind though? Can you edit it within? Yes, you can. Or should I just make the image itself flex? What did I do on the index to center it? The index. Where's my image tag? Oh, so it had its own container. Yeah, it had its own container. So maybe, yeah, that's what I have to do. I'll probably just do that. Let's do that. So we're going to go into project or card item. And we're going to wrap this in its own div here. Okay, and instead of going item center on the actual one, this is where we'll do class name equals flex, and then justify center. There you go. All right, cool. That's all we needed to do. I think we're going to add a margin bottom. Let's do 5. Let's see what that looks like. That looks good. And then I want to change the width here. So, let's see. What do we have right now? We have 1/3, which is 33%. Let's go 1/4. Let's go 1/4 and see what it looks like. That's a little bit smaller. I don't like that. 2/4. 50%. Yeah, that looks good. The height, I don't think I need to manipulate as much. On the H1, we're gonna say class name equals font. What's the font size thing? Font size. We're gonna go. Let's go text 2XL. Text 2XL. And that looks good. Maybe font bold. Very nice. Instead of this HR, I want to do a line here. Like just a straight line, so I can maybe, or we can just manipulate this. So class name equals width. We're gonna go full width of the container. See if that works. No. Maybe not. Use BEM. So the class names are based off of Tailwind, guys. So Tailwind is what I'm using to style this website. So I can't really use BEM or anything. The class names have to be what they are. Okay, so let's just do border. What's a divide? Oh, that's what we want. Okay, so instead of the HR, we're gonna use a div here. And in this div is where we're gonna do the thing. Cause you have padding. Yeah, I'm gonna add this. We're gonna do we're gonna add a divide thing. Class name. Oh, should I not put the padding here? Oh, does divide only work with... Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, cool. Divide Y. Let's see what that looks like. Cogglesworth with a resub, 3 months in a row. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the for the sub for 3 months straight. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the support. Divide Y 8. Huh. Where it's donate? The donation is primarily through Twitch. I need to figure that out for YouTube, but actually, let me do that right now. Nightbot. I can make a command right now, so we're gonna say donate, and then if you guys want to donate, where is the custom tip page? Give me 1 second, guys. Where's the... All right. Where's the link for it? I know I have like a tip jar or something, but where is it? Text link? Yeah, I'm trying to find the link though, is the thing. I think I have it on my Twitch. Hold on, let me go to it really quick. Channel, pause it. Yeah, here you go. Copy link, and we'll go back to Nightbot. Bam. Submit. Okay, so people on YouTube, if you do !donate, I am pretty sure you will have a link to donate if you guys would like. On Twitch, it should be at the very bottom, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's see. Remove padding from the card, add padding to the image and the card body, add HR back. That should do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so HR, add that back, and then let's remove the padding from here. What do we got here? Oh, yes, sir. I like it. BQ, do !donate in the chat, and then you'll get a link. And then he said, add padding to the image. So image, let's do P4. Oh, let's remove that. Actually, I don't think I need padding around this anymore for now. And then the body, so we'll do div here, separate the body. And we're going to say class name equals padding 4. Whoops. Nice. Very nice. Okay, thank you for the tip. And now I think the color isn't going to switch. So we're going to say, what's text color? Is that what I would change it to? Color. No, not divide color. Would it just be text color though? Text color. Let's go text.current on the class. So class name equals text.current. Nope. Alexa Tech, hey, Justin, dropping in to see how things are going. Hey. What's happening? I have donate, make donate in Tipio. Wait, what? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm sorry. All right, how are we changing the color of this? I'm sorry, BQ, I'm not gonna do that. Let's do BG current. Nope, that's not working. I guess, do we always want it to be black? No. HR tag. It's background color. So let's try out like maybe like a bright red. Let's try that. That's not working. Border current? Nope. That's not working either. Maybe it needs to be on it directly. Oh, there you go. It needs to be on directly. Okay, so let's get rid of this then. Thank you. Thank you for the tip right there. Kinkishi? Hopefully I said your name right. If I didn't, I apologize. Thank you, thank you. So now that's working fairly well. All right. I mean, I like the way it's looking so far. What do we think? Should we round both or should we just leave the tops? Okay, so I can take out this tag because I don't need that anymore. Description. And then there we can actually add a button. So maybe I can copy the buttons from the social links. Maybe we call it button instead, but let's just import social link item. For now, social link item. Social link item from social link item, and then instead of the button there, we're going to do social link item to, I don't know, I think it's URL equals. I'm out, child. Going to enjoy the day with fam. Take care, y'all. All right, Julio, take care. Have a good one. Thank you for stopping by, my man. I appreciate the support. Oh, it just needs link. So it just needs link, card item, link, and then we'll just do https://github.com. Oh, does it need a wrapper? Yeah, it does. It is not a self closing, so we're gonna say source code. Interesting. Why is it not doing maybe it's not social link, maybe it's just link. There you go. I think that's what it is. I think this is the purple one. Yeah, okay. So instead of social link, we're just going to grab import link from link that might error out. Yeah. Const link item. Oh. Okay. So it should be link item instead. Item. Let's go link item. And then I believe it's this now. And instead of link, it's going to be URL. And then we have a title prop. And we're just going to name that source code. Let's see what that looks like. Beautiful. 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 Interesting, though. Why is it acting like that? It's outside of your padding div? Yeah. Well, I did, but then it like, it's weird. It's like going over this now. And it doesn't even hover. Give it inline block. Amaranthus, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. No, inline block's not doing it. Maybe block? Vovka Center, thank you for the follow. Interesting. Why is it overflowing like that? Is this do the same? Yeah. Does the same thing there as well. Where would you put that, AD? On the button? I wonder why it's not hovering though. Hold on, let me kill my, oops. Let me kill my terminal and then run it again. Oh, it can't take it? Maybe should I put it in its own div and then do it there? Because if I mess with link item, then it's gonna mess with these as well. Let me try putting in its own div here. And class name equals my3. Oh, there you go. Okay, cool. But now it doesn't explain the hover. Hey man, how did you install your Victo Monofont? I'm struggling really hard which format I have to install. I think I installed the OTF, I want to say. But I just like double clicked it since it was on Windows and just installed it. Okay, so there's that. What else does link have? Duration 400, transform, translate, hover, ease in, solid, border, padding 2, rounded XL. Okay. I wonder if I have to... I guess I'm okay with it not having like a hover there. Okay. Text. Let's go 5XL on that, and then class name equals flex. Ooh, that might not work. Flex, and then we're gonna say flex call. Justify center. Maybe not justify center, text center. Ooh, that's not gonna work. Okay, regular italic. I installed both. Perfect. All right, that's starting to look good. We're gonna have to figure out the button though, because that hover and that transition stuff doesn't work, but that's okay. I think on this card item here for the card description, or at least yeah, on the card description itself, I'm gonna add some margin. Bottom, let's add just 3. Maybe not. Maybe just more padding. Padding 6. Maybe padding 5. Okay. What do you guys think? Does that button look oddly placed to you? It does? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So like maybe we just create another button component and just add it to the cards. Yeah, it's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Like stick to the same purple, but create another button so that way, because right now it just looks so awkward. Let's go border 3. Maybe a little bit thicker on the card would look a little bit better. I follow you on Instagram. Thanks, man. I appreciate the support. Whoa, what? Oh. Interesting. All right. Yeah, we're just gonna create another button. So let's get rid of this. Source code. Okay, so now that's inline. Let's do border. Actually, let's copy the same border here. Border solid, border do. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. We're gonna go, let's try with 12. $24. Okay, and let's add some padding to this. So we're gonna go padding 5 inside. Use an inline block instead of this. Oh. Oh, okay, cool. I still feel like that's oddly placed. Add more padding to the sides than to the top and bottom. Of the button? Oh, no, why? Whoops. PX. Let's go. Less bottom padding and more top padding on what? On the card or on the button tour? Okay. It's just oddly aligned. Like it's, I mean, it is aligned, but it's aligned already is the thing. So like that other button that we had was already good. It was already lined up with this text here. Oh, maybe we'll make it look like a link instead of a button. What's a good looking link? I mean, can you make a good looking link? Are there going to be more buttons? No, just the source code itself, or maybe two, right? So source code and then maybe another one for, what's it called? For like the live website. For a preview. So something like maybe another white line to separate description and links. Let me go back. Do I still have Dribble opened up? No. Interesting, interesting. I'm trying to like think this through. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, Raphael. How are you? How are you, my man? I haven't seen you in a while. I don't know, guys. What are we thinking? Do we want another line though? Because I feel like just one is enough just to separate the image. And to show off work, Abdul. Like maybe both of them right next to each other here. Good, man. Busy lately. Family coming in and stuff. Nice, man. Nice. Trying to like think this through in my head. Are Udemy courses worth? I think so. I've learned a lot of what I know now from Udemy courses, so I definitely think they're worth it. Definitely think they're worth it. 100%. Let's see here. I think you make like button to you Instagram. What? What? What would another one look like? Let's do this and like live site. Just to see. Oh. Okay, this is not good practice at all, but I'm just doing it for the sake of show. Bam. So side by side looks okay. Take some padding away from below the button. It would be super skinny though. We have like 7 Raphael. I'm the only one with a PH in the middle though. Oh wow, damn, that's crazy. I know you missed me shake my head. What's up, Sarah? I hate spaghetti. Also, concerning database MongoDB versus PostgreSQL, I can't answer that because I'm not too well versed in the database or backend side of things just yet. So I don't know on that one. With my bread, damn, with your bread, you want me to remove it though? Remove the PY? Then it would just look like this. I mean, that doesn't look too bad, I guess. Just or more padding of the card, just so the distance from the white line to the card item and outer card line and buttons. So something like that. Maybe that is better or more. What a day of holiday spirit and joy, am I right? You right. Margin right. Let's add like 3 to that so it's moved over a little bit. Cool. I'm everyone to go back home. Oh, Jesus. I mean, that doesn't look too bad. Separate that a little bit. Looks more like tags than buttons now. Yeah, that's why I thought the PY or the padding is kind of necessary at this point to make it look like it reminds me of GitHub labels. So let's add PY of 1. PY of 1 back to these buttons. There you go. What are we thinking? We still got to play COD. True. Maybe border 2 is a bit much. Maybe border 4 was a bit much, so maybe border 2 to make it a little skinnier. Yeah. Maybe different in the UK, but I found portfolio websites aren't that helpful in acquiring a job. What do you think? I think they're still necessary to have. I mean, if you want. I mean, my blog's going to be on here as well, so it's not just going to be the portfolio. I might have to loom on this a little bit. The Justin Chow blog, the Chow Codes blog. Yeah, dude. Yes. You best believe. Will you be giving advice on how I need to join a CrossFit gym? I mean, no, but you do need to, so. Can I just do Lorem here so I have filler? See how that looks. Cool. I mean, that actually doesn't look too bad, right? Like, for an instance of a card item, that doesn't look too bad. And then in card list, let's like add 3 more. Whoa. 2. Okay, maybe 3 is excessive. Let's add 1, 2. Oh boy, okay, we have some stuff to fix. We have some stuff to fix. Got a lot of ways to go, but it doesn't look too bad for like an initial card item. Here, you guys can see it. So we're gonna have to fix the width on desktop because right now we're going for mobile first, but I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it looks too bad. Right? Like having more of these, and I like having it differ from the header. So this would definitely move. Everything's responsive in that aspect. Yeah. We'd have to change some things to make it responsive, but I am not mad at that for right now. Might have to think about lazy loading this image so that when you load it, it's like, it's there. I'm getting pretty pumped about this portfolio though. I really like this. Like, it's turning out really, really well. What is that? Okay. All right. So, that's gonna, let me just kill this really quick. Cards in project section. All right, guys. So while that pushes up, I am going to end the stream there. We've been going for what, 2 hours and 30? And I think that's a good time to end it here. I'm getting a little hungry. It's 3:51, getting close to 4. So I think I'm going to end it there. Thank you all for joining. Everyone on Twitch, everyone on YouTube, I really, really appreciate your guys' support. It really does mean a lot to me. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, !Discord in the chat. Vibing in mod chat. All right, I'll be there after I eat a little bit of something. So thank you guys for joining. Like I said, !Discord in the chat. Get a link to the invite. Join our Discord channel. Say what's up. Have a good Christmas, everybody. If you guys haven't celebrated already. If you have, I hope you have a great rest of your day. But I'll talk to you guys later. Deuskis for now. And I'll be streaming more soon. Peace.